Hi, this is Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides. Today I'm out with the Melbourne Adventure Motorcycle Riders Meetup Group again. There's 7 of us today, currently on the Reefton Spur. It's a lovely bit of road. We're heading to Woods Point today, somewhere I've never been before. And then we'll be heading down to Noojee, I think it's called. So it should be a fair bit of gravel roads, should be fairly easy today. You can still see where it's been burnt out from the fires. I can't remember, I think that was earlier this year. Look at the regrowth on those trees. Wow. Righto, just at the top of the Reefton Spur, heading off. Quick snack break and regroup, ready to go again. Here we are, heading for Woods Point, 61 kilometres. It's about 6 degrees. It is the end of spring in Australia. It is bloody cold. So next stop's Woods Point. Oh, got some more 4-wheel drives. Look at that, moving over. Thank you. Thank you. Poof. Some dust though. Oh, can you taste that? Yeah, I'm going to be chewing on that for a while. Wow. Okay, this is Woods Point. Jamison 56 and Mansfield 93 kilometres away. And we have a pub. Cool. They've got an old servo up here. Right, now after a great lunch at Woods Point, we just backtracked a little. Now we're heading down towards Noojee. Whoa, look at that. Shit. There's a tree on the other side of the road keeping it up. True River. So we had no spills today, but we did have a few bike issues. Had a flat tyre. I've had both my fork seals leaking. I did some roadside repairs. It looks like one of them's still seeping a bit. Had a muffler fall off. Another guy just noticed his chain tension had come loose and his chain was quite loose. But thanks a lot to Rob for leading the way. Been a great day.